when you supposed to, cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Morning, sir. Morning. Morning, sir. Morning. Morning, sir. Monster. Monster.
It's okay. Grandma, why are you disturbing me?
Monster. Nah. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. This position, he knows it's hot water that's coming.
Sorry, baby boy. I'm sorry. Grandma go mix for you. She go mix for you, Different mixtures of water. Grandma is pressing somebody's body. Hi guys. I don't want to wake Micah up. He's sleeping, even though I know that we may have to disturb him in a little bit. But today is Tuesday and Micah is 11 days old today, and I am also 11 days postpartum today. So we're about to disturb this guy because today is his newborn shoot. To be honest, to be very honest with you guys, like, I did not plan to have a newborn shoot though. Like, I didn't plan it at all. But my darling baby girl, my darling sister, my darling everything, Oge of 7 Shades Photography, insisted that she must come and shoot Micah. She did Mia's shoots at 1 week old, I don't forget. And Oge and I go like way back. Like, our relationship, it's from like, I don't even know. But when she called me to congratulate me on the birth of Micah, she said, do you have any ideas for a shoot? I'm like, babe, I'm not doing shoot though, I beg. She said, please, we must do shoot. So she's a renowned Abuja newborn photographer. Like, that's her niche. If you want the most amazing newborn photography in this city, Oge is your plug. 7 Shades Photography. Like, she's amazing. So we are taking Micah now that he's sleeping is the best time, and I'm hoping that he doesn't fuss, because looking back at when we shot Mia at 1 week old, that particular day Mia was so cranky and so fussy. So my fingers are crossed that Micah behaves himself and we get this shoot over and done with. We don't want to stress the baby too much, so maybe 1 or 2 diff poses or something, and that's it, because like I said before, I didn't plan it. So anyway, let's go see what everybody's up to. And yeah, the whole team is here, by the way, so let's go. Okay, this boy trying to come out in this house. Hey,
when you think you have recorded something and then you...
No, I was actually. I just turned it off.
Hi, baby.
Did you just smile?
Yeah. Hi. Do you have any pops? Sorry, my baby.
Oh, this is such a nice clip. Oh, I can see it.
Hey, that's food mouth too. God, I beg. I need a sleeping baby. I beg, sir.
He has woken me up. Ah, Mom, say don't miss. I wish she was here. you still need the hairbrush?
No.
Okay.
I think it's too much.
Micah, please relax your face, sir. Your face is looking too serious.
Like serious?
Too serious. You relax your face.
So, now give me the ear. Thank you. What are you looking at?
I don't know.
Please, I need pin again. So I can see your face. Now, what do you think? I'm gonna do angles. The lit angle for me is lit. It's lit. The angle. Because it's looking this way. So.
Oh. He wear these glasses so by force, by fire, by force. See crown, my prince. This piece is my prince. So hello. Oh my God, photographer's son. This one, my prince. I love these cute glasses. I really want him to wear one of these. So cool. Hi baby, I love this blue on you. Oh. So this swaddling now, let me go and bring out all your swaddle clothes.
But when you're soldering him, it's just his arms.
Just his
legs.
His arms beside his legs.
Yeah, just straight.
Okay, straight like that, right?
Fold his legs.
Okay.
It's
Because even my
the way we
mom.
swaddle is different.
Okay.
But
Oh, okay.
if he doesn't have any issues sleeping, so
No, he doesn't. Actually, he doesn't have issues sleeping.
he's
He's.
very slow. He walks.
Kai is looking at you, babes.
But he loves it.
Yeah, he does. So the vlog is going to be so pretty. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Gosh. He eats now.
You see, didn't tell you.
Milk monster. This one.
I've already seen here like this.
Oh my goodness, Micah. Yes. Look at this photographer's son. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. I love it. Wow. Oh my God, this is going to be my favorite.
So you can see your video from
This is going to be my favorite. Hello, my darling. Why are you looking so serious? Why are you looking so serious, Micah? You like this position, right? I'm putting him like this for the first time. like on my lap. By the way, we are 12 days old today. We're almost 2 weeks old. We're almost 2 weeks old, baby. My heart. You guys, look at how chunky this boy is. Like, this boy eats, you people. Hey, Jesus. This boy eats. Look at how chunky we are. Look at our thighs. At 12 days old. Look at. He's so flipping chunky. I'm just watching this postcards on Netflix. Yeah, it's quite nice. And I'm just here bonding with my baby. His sister has gone to school, so it's us. Daddy's in the living room working, and we're having our time. You need to sleep, oh, this boy. Please, I have things to do. And I also want to sleep, so you need to sleep, sir.
I've been feeling too small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
You're only my sunshine to have. You're only my sunshine to have. I'm sunshine to have. So cutie, why are you pushing my foot? Cutie Micah. Hello guys. So I was talking to my brother. How you see him? Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Sorry guys, so much. And I'll see Micah shake his face. Daddy! Why?
Hey. Hey, Bobo.
He's a boy. You think he was a girl?
It's a boy. I know it's a boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. See your piercing eyes.
Daddy, we are vlogging.
You're vlogging.
Yes.
Oh,
Hi.
he's cute.
Cute. It looks like his fingers. So cute.
All right, so I just received this package from D. D, if you're watching, thank you so much. Just sent me her famous cinnamon rolls. Okay. Ooh, like this recovery postpartum process. I have you guys who are making it so easy for me. But yeah, D makes like some of the best cinnamon rolls in Abuja, if I'm not mistaken. I'm covering this because it has my details, address and phone number and all of that. But yeah, she sent me this pending when she comes to see baby. She just sent me this first to take whole body. So I'm going to open up this and see what these delicious warm cinnamon rolls are looking like right now, because I actually need to snack. All my breastfeeding snacks have run out. So this is coming at a very good time, trust me. Aww, this is so nicely packaged. Oh my god, these are amazing. I mean, look at this heavenly goodness. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, look at this heavenly goodness. What? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, D. I pray Santa will finish this thing today, because Mia Rose also loves this stuff, and once she gets back from school now, it's not just me that'll be eating this. But thank you so much, D. Can't wait for you to come and see baby. In the meantime, I'll use one and hold myself first. But yeah, this is delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Thank you, my love.
And I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.